Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info. Today we have an exciting unboxing and the first look at the brand new HUAWEI Nova 12 SE. This is mid-range smartphone from HUAWEI, promises some impressive specs and features, so let's dive right in. Box of HUAWEI Nova 12 SE, and as you can see, it's really elegant, but it's absolutely not eco-friendly. So let's open it up and see what we have inside. So firstly we need to remove two plumps. Oh, maybe we can remove it in different way, but I want to do it in this way to not damage the box. Cool. Okay, so first we have the phone itself, and underneath there is the maybe charger or not. I hope we have charger here. Oh my gosh, we have case. Ooh, it's really cool. So here we have the charger. Yes, we have charger up to 66 watts. Whoa, it's really impressive. It's really impressive. So this 66 watts HUAWEI Supercharge supports supercharged Turbo 2.0 charger charging. So here we have even original USB Type-C cable with orange color inside. So maybe here we have no power delivery. Yeah, here we have only HUAWEI brand supercharging it. Maybe we can have the troubles to charge this device fast by different chargers. Okay, so what about device? Okay, so yeah, here as you can see, we have this device in sleek gray color. So it's also available in black. So, but wait. This is not black color, so it's really dark green color maybe. So this phone has a polycarbonate back, and it feels quite light in hand and in touch. So it's soft in touch and maybe too squeezy. Okay. And it's really light in feeling, so it has just only 186 grams, so maybe it's not the lightest device, but it's really light. Dimensions of device is 162, 65 and 47 and 7 millimeters of width. So what about display? So on the front we have 6.67 inch OLED display with a resolution of 2400 to 10,080 pixels. So it's providing a crisp and vibrant viewing experience. It also supports a 90 Hz refresh rate and a 270 Hz touch sampling rate, which should make scrolling and gaming feel very smooth. So what about the cameras? Because it's HUAWEI, so maybe here we have good cameras. So HUAWEI comes with a triple camera, as you can see. There is a 108 megapixels main sensor with an 1.9 aperture. 8 megapixels ultra-wide angle camera with a 2.2 aperture and a 2 megapixels macro camera. Okay, for selfies you get a 32 megapixels front camera with a 2.45 aperture. So of course, as we have HUAWEI, so camera has a lot of AI features, AI helpers to take good photos. So let's connect it to the Wi-Fi. It looks really cool. Unfortunately, we have no LED screen. Unfortunately, we have no. Wait a while. One hertz of refreshing OLED screen, like in new Huawei devices. New Huawei devices from $1,000 and more expensive. But here we have a pretty cool display too, so I really like it. Okay, so what about battery here? So what about, firstly, maybe what about performance? So here we have maybe not good question about this device, but here we have Snapdragon 680 processor. Paired with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. It runs on HUAWEI 14, which Huawei customs skin over Android. And unfortunately, let's check which Android version we have. So first, of course, we need to log in and open settings. So maybe later, leave more, next, no thanks. Okay, as you can see, MI 14, EMUI. Try now. So maybe it's not so smooth, but I think it's just only because it just first set up and now device has a lot of background tasks. So about phone, and here we have. And we have no information about software. Wait, what is software? Yeah, we have no information about Android, but I think that here we have Android 12 or Android 13. Check the information under this video, and you can. I will check and write it under the video what Android version we have here. Okay, so what about battery? So here we have 4500 mAh battery with 66 watts Huawei Supercharged Turbo 2.0. So with 66 watts you can charge your device up to 100% in just 30 minutes, and it's really fast. So what about connectivities? So unfortunately we have no LDAC here for audio. We have no Wi-Fi 6. We have no 5G. We have only 4G LTE. We have Wi-Fi 802.11 ABG. We have Bluetooth 5.0, not 5.2. But we have USB Type-C. It's really good. We have in EMUI face recognition. Here we have the fingerprint scanner on the power button, so it's really fast. And maybe that's it. It's all I can tell you about this device. Maybe it's not too performance device. Maybe it's not too durable device. But it's fine. It's cool, and it has really good price. And unfortunately, it have no Google Play services, because only Honor devices has Google Play services from Huawei concern. So this is Huawei device, and unfortunately you need to use Petal Search and Huawei App Gallery to download applications. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe our channel if this video was helpful for you, and bye. See you.